Ma'am, I have deeds.
Don't you ma'am me.
I have deeds.
I have a legal representative. They will contact you.
I'm so glad.
That's fine. That's fine. That's
Because
what
right
it is.
now, you are trespassing my property.
I was so petty, and I was so small, and I would keep people from. I'm not even able physically to bush hog and to mow. I'm not able to do that, and I don't know how you got your money, but we've always worked for hours, hard. And I can't believe Mr. Sparks and my husband were extremely close friends.
Mr. Sparks has passed. I purchased the property, and you know what? You should be glad that I'm a woman. Because if I had a man here, you'd be off the property right this minute.
You do not know the history.
It doesn't matter what the history is.
You don't understand.
The history is irrelevant.
History in
The history ended upon his death.
Away from me. That's what you do. Because until a judge tells me that I am not on my property, that I have used for 40 years, I'm on it. And I advise you to not come any closer. I'm taking pictures of what I am allowed to take pictures of. I've took pictures here for 40 years. Don't come any closer to me.
You see this line?
I'll call the sheriff as soon as I get home.
You see this? That's my property. You're on it right now.
Hayes does not know what your property is.
Where's your survey?
The sheriff,
Where's your survey?
a legal representative. We also had a survey. See, that's not what you're understanding. My husband was going by a survey that was done many years ago when the property was first purchased.
It's not in the count.
There is tree slippage. Neither is yours. Neither is yours.
It will be this week, honey.
Why is yours not there? Because you haven't paid for it? Is that why it's not there? Like you haven't paid other people for the work that they've done? Don't think people don't talk as they do. So, until a legal representative, that's all I'm saying. When a legal
That
representative
sign's
tells
coming
me,
down.
that's with you.
That's
better-
coming down.
Let me tell you.
And I spoke with the sheriff, by the way, and he said anything you place on my property now is mine.
I will call Paul Hayes as soon as I get home.
You can call anybody
I
you
will
want.
call him. I will
I have a
call judge.
legal right to my property. You see the pink post there?
Do you
Ma'am,
understand
go see
that
the
there
pink
is another
post?
post behind it? Do you
Behind it.
Yeah, but do you understand that that means it was
Behind.
surveyed once before? So a judge,
Behind.
I don't care if it's behind,
hear?
before.
Yes,
Well, we can move
because
it.
these
But
are
guess what?
property lines.
You do not have to be. Do you know that in 60 years of my family living here, we've never had anything, any
I don't
kind of
really
issue?
care.
No, you don't.
I'm new here.
That's the problem.
This is my property.
Do you know that this was
If
Mr.
you want-
Sparks' that he spent 40
I
years building and
understand.
making this?
I get
that
all
it
of
was a
it.
Kentucky tourism?
I
No, you don't.
understand.
No, you don't.
Ma'am,
You don't
Don't
understand
tell
that
me
those are
what
my
I
relatives
know.
buried there.
Don't
you
tell
don't
me what I
understand it.
know.
Well, you don't tell me what
right
I know.
now you are
Let
trespassing
me tell
my
you
property.
to get off my property.
You
Right,
see that
listen,
pink line?
until a judge tells me that one is
see that
mine.
pink line?
Get the out of my face. I know what you're doing. You're going to get out of my face because I got a video too. You see? I got a video too.
You see this? This is my property.
I see all of that.
This is Sunday,
I see also the signs
July
that say it's mine. And if
26,
a judge,
2020,
if a judge tells me,
that
if
is
a
my
judge tells me
post.
that it is, and guess what?
This
If
is
you
my
would've told
post.
me
There
that
is
it was,
my
get off.
property
Yeah,
line right
I
there.
got a picture of your property
There is
line.
my gate.
I want to be fair,
My
but let me
fence.
tell you, Mr. Sparks
This is the
never
fence
bought.
that
Mr.
Travis
Sparks
Sparks-
never bought a fence.
Mr. Travis Sparks
Okay.
included this fence here. It's the same fence that's around the entire property. And this woman now drove up my driveway. This is my driveway.
60 years worth of history for a few petty thieves. You should be ashamed. You should be ashamed of yourself. You should be ashamed. Neighborly, you are the farthest thing from the neighbor, if you only knew.
You are a liar.
Get out of my
Your
face.
husband is a liar. You're all liars. You wanted to steal this property from Travis Sparks. And everybody's going to know that you want to steal property from Travis Sparks when he was alive, and then you thought when he was dead that you could get away with the deception. But you cannot get away with the deception anymore because you tried to steal the land from Travis when an old man.
If you knew the
And
one
any
that my
agreement
husband
that
did
you
with
had
Mr.
with
Sparks
him
was nothing.
died with him.
Nothing. You didn't feed him. You didn't come and check
I
on him
don't
when he
really
was
care
sick.
what your
No, see, you
relationship
don't.
was
That's
with
what I'm
him.
saying.
It's irrelevant.
Yeah. Okay.
Somebody was going to buy the property when he died and kick you the fuck out.